Hello friends, it takes a lot of courage to put service before self, and we salute you all Apollo warriors who are there at the front and ensuring availability of medicines to all of us in this battle against coronavirus. It is very important that all essential services, including mobile services, should remain available to the people of our country at all times. We are happy to inform that Airtel, in association with Apollo, is ensuring availability of its services at all of your stores. This will help our customers to get the two essential services, that is medicines and Airtel recharges, under one single roof, relieving them from a big hassle. In this video, we will give you a complete walkthrough of the recharge platform we have created, and you would realize how simple it is to recharge customers' connections. Let's go. Go to airtelrechargebox.com/apollo/login. Log in to the portal using the login credentials which you would have received from the admin. Once you log in, you land on the home page on which you can see prepaid recharge section and recharge catalog. The recharge catalog shows the 5 most popular bundle recharges by default. Let's explore how we can select the best recharge packs for customers and complete the recharge process. To begin the recharge process, enter the customer's mobile number in the given box. Select the desired recharge pack from recommended bundle recharges. The desired recharge will get auto-populated in the amount box with the benefits mentioned below it. Or you can manually enter the recharge amount in the amount box as well. Click on Recharge Mobile to proceed. A pop-up window will open and you will have to enter the transaction PIN here. Click on Submit. Voila! Your recharge journey is completed. You will see the order ID along with the transaction successful confirmation message on your screen. Customers will also get the recharge confirmation from Airtel via SMS. Make sure that you collect cash from customers after the transaction gets completed. If in case the customer asks for a recharge not available in the recommended bundle recharges, you can search the recharge pack by clicking on other recharges. Here you can see the recharge as per their validity, monthly bundles, long validity bundles, yearly bundles and smart packs. Or you can also search a recharge pack by entering its amount in the search bar. Let's look at some other functionalities on the home screen. You can click on the bell icon to see and check the latest notifications. You can see your balance amount, change your password and PIN by clicking on Apollo logo. Let's explore the transaction history tab now. Here you can see the details of all your transactions. You can see transactions by selecting a certain time period or transaction status. You can download the transaction report from here as well. Let's join hands in giving the best service to our customers and bring happiness and convenience to their lives together. Happy selling!